Alright, y'all, just gassed up. It's one of them days. I'm telling you. I'm gonna head home, take a quick nap. Now right back at it. I'll be out here probably 24 hours. Depending on this storm. Hopefully it stops around 4 o'clock tomorrow. But for sure, I'll be back out here around 2 o'clock in the morning. So I'll see you then.
Problem is that they know little about the B quadrant or the I quadrant, even if they have a retirement plan. They feel financially insecure because they've been trained only for job security. Knowledge is power. To become more, individuals become educated in the B or I quadrants. By having confidence in their abilities on both sides of the cash flow quadrant, they'll naturally feel more secure, even if they have only a little money. Knowledge is power, and when an opportunity presents, they had to look for new jobs. At the farewell party, which was filled with tears, there were also undercurrents of extreme anger and resentment. Although he'd paid them well for years, most were financially no better off on their last day of work than they were on their first day of work. Many people realized that the owner of the company had become rich while they spent all those years collecting their paychecks and paying bills. The reality is that your boss's job is not to make you rich. Your boss's job is to make sure you get your paycheck. It's your job to become rich if you want to. And that job begins the moment you receive your paycheck. If you have poor money management skills, then all the money in the world won't save you. If you budget your money wisely and learn about either the B or I quadrant, then you're on your own path to great personal fortune and...
Alright, y'all, I've been out all night plowing. I still got 15 more properties to go, believe it or not. But it's go time, baby. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm about to sip this. This will give me at least 4 more hours and we'll be good. So I'll see you in a second.